Hey guys, this is Angel bringing you another DIY video. From time to time, I'm going to be uploading some do-it-yourself videos because I think it's very important for the community to become aware of certain stuff that you can do at home and save yourself a lot of money. In this case, I'm going to be working on this 2009 Toyota Camry, and it's going to be on the headlights. As you can see, the headlights are turning yellowish. These guys are not as bad as some I've seen at the shop, but it sure makes the it affects the appearance of the vehicle. And not only that, but it makes it kind of hard to see at night, especially if you don't have the HID lights, which is not a problem. Today I'm going to be installing a new set of headlamps. These guys are not the OEM, but they sure look just like the OEMs, and the quality really good. I paid $75 for each one, tax included. The whole thing approximately was about 150 bucks, tax included. I got it from Amazon, and this is for the 2009 Toyota Camry. And not only I'm going to be installing the new headlamps, but I'm also going to be installing a new set of HID lights. Was surprised to see that this product, they come with the ballast built into the system. I paid $75 for this one. They're supposed to be the best in the market. So I was looking at some reviews on this product, and they're supposed to be the best out there. So I'm gonna give it a shot. This is the brand. If they work, if they turn out to be a good product, I'm gonna see if I can make an update video on them. So all right, so I'm gonna try to make this video super short. I know there are some videos out there on how to install the headlamps that some people, they make them too long. Mine is gonna be very simple. The first thing I need to do is to remove this front bumper. It's just plastic. It's just been held by a whole bunch of plastic clips all over the place. So I'm gonna try to guide you through the video, and stay tuned. So these are the bolts that we're gonna be removing. They're all 10 millimeter bolts. These clips right here, you don't have to remove. I believe this is just the weather stripping. But the main ones that I have to remove are gonna be this one. This one right here is also a 10 millimeter. Another one right here. We also need to go around to the fender liners and remove these clips right here. This one, and the one at the bottom, and that will release the front bumper cover. I'm gonna try to get away by not getting under the car and undo the bottom clips. I'm gonna try to just move it forward so I can access the headlamps. I'm gonna try to do that. I don't know if that's possible or not, but if that doesn't work, no big deal. I can always jack the car up a little bit so I can access those screws. But these guys are the main ones right here. This one, that one, and that should move the bumper forward. All right, so far it's looking so good. As you can see, one side has already been detached. There was a bolt, a 10 millimeter bolt facing upwards. You want to make sure to remove that so you don't break the you don't break anything. But as soon as you remove this the clip for the liner, you're gonna see that there's this a 10 millimeter bolt facing upwards, and that is what's holding the corner of the bumper skin. Make sure you remove it before you start prying on it. Otherwise, you're going to break this clip right here. All right, so once you have remove the screws holding the plastic cover, the bumper skin, you should be able to access a 10 millimeter bolt right around here. I don't know if you can see it. I apologize, I didn't turn my light on my phone, but there's a 10 millimeter bolt that you can easily get around to it with a little extension and a drive. I'm going to be using a quarter inch drive, a little extension, and a 10 millimeter socket for that. You also have to remove this one right here. It's a 10 millimeter, another 10 millimeter right there, which is very easy, super easy to access. And that's about it, you guys. And let me see, and there are no more bolts at the bottom of the headlamp right here. So let me remove those, and I'm gonna show you the I'm gonna turn the video back on once the lamp is removed. It shouldn't take me no more than 2 minutes. Okay, so there you have it, 2 minutes. Actually less than 2 minutes after unplugging the light bulbs, the low beam, the high beam, and the turn signal. All you have to do is just kindly, very gently wiggle it around. Make sure you don't want to scratch the lens or break any clips, and this bad boy just comes right out. As you can see, there was no need to undo the lower clips. It makes things a lot easier to just remove the whole bumper skin and just drop it on the ground. But since I'm working on the ground because I'm not at the shop, I was forced to do this. But either way is either way is very simple to do. All right, so the second headlamp is out. Again, less than 2 minutes to undo all the bolts. One thing that I'm gonna advise you guys to do is to replace, I would say, all the light bulbs, especially this guy right here. This is the marker light bulb. Very super difficult to get to if you're just replacing the light bulb. As you can see right now, it's the time that you can just drop a new, I believe it's a T10 light bulb. You can just order it at the same time you're ordering your HID lights. Turn signals are somewhat hard to install, but it's optional if you want to also install a turn signal light bulb at the same time, FYI. So it is time to install the new headlamps, and the next time I turn this camera back on is to show you the final product. Great. All right, take two. One good advice: don't try to record a YouTube video while you're trying to do this. Don't over torque these bolts, guys, because this is a very fragile plastic. You don't want to crack the base. Just barely snug them. All right, so we're almost done here. I'm done installing this one, and I'm gonna move to the other side. I already installed the HID light bulbs. I'm gonna show you real quick how they look like so far. All right, so this is the how the HID light is gonna be operating so far. I'm very happy. Unlike other products that I have purchased in the past, I'm very amazed on this one, because when I turned the headlights on, there was no flickering whatsoever. The light turned on automatically. When with other products, they gradually turn on and they get brighter and brighter as the lamp warms up. But that was not the case with this one. It just illuminated, just as if you were turning on the lights on a very high-end car like a Mercedes, BMW, Porsche. and I was pretty amazed. Very good product so far. Alright guys, so the whole installation is completed. As you can see, it took me a good, I would say, it probably took me no more than an hour to do the whole thing. According to all data, the labor guide that we use in California, it should take you probably about an hour and a half or so. But, you know, I kind of cut corners by not removing the lower clips. And if you want to make your life easier, more simple, you can always remove the lower clips. But really, there's no need to do that, because you're gonna be doing it on the ground. So this is all I have for you guys today. If this video was useful, please don't forget to leave a comment and your likes. And if you want me to keep uploading more videos of this nature, I'll be very happy to do so. So yeah, once again, if you like this content, please leave your likes and your comments, and I'll be very happy to reply to any questions that you may have. So this is it, guys. Just by replacing your headlamps, believe me, it's not only it's gonna give a better appearance to your vehicle, it's gonna actually make it look newer. As you can see, look at before and after. Big difference. Now my daughter is gonna be able to see better at night, not only because the lenses are so clear, but also because I installed the LED lights. These guys, once again, I paid $70 for them, and they look great. Can't wait to see how they're gonna be performing at night. So this is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching my channel, watching this video. Please, once again, don't forget to leave your likes and your comments if you like this content. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can do so. So far, my channel is called My High Desert Garden, because most of the videos that I upload are garden videos. But from time to time, I also include some DIY videos like this one. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Take care now. Bye bye.